I think we are witnessing, almost a seismic shift in the world of financial services, where AI is not a futuristic concept, but something that is here and now and making a significant impact. And the HFS study on why, what, how of becoming AI first in financial services really confirms that, right? That AI is part of the business strategy, boardroom discussions, and it's very, very real. I think it's also about the fact that AI is the tip of the iceberg, right? There is obviously a lot of impact that AI can create for the business, but at the same time, a lot of foundational work around modernizing the core systems, data, and many other things that get into building the platform for AI become extremely important, and that also is confirmed by the study that a lot of the investments that will happen will be in getting organizations ready for AI. And I think finally, AI is about business strategy, right? And business transformation. It's not tech for tech, it's an enabler, but really it's important to drive the AI agenda as a strategic agenda for the business, not just around productivity and efficiency, but around growth, around experience transformation, and really having a broader end to end impact. So we are living in a very exciting and uncertain world, and AI provides a catalyst for this amazing transformation in financial services that can make a tremendous impact. And the HFS study presented by Infosys really, makes that gives a very good view about that.